Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Hi everybody, it's Katrina. I've done another large basket. This is a Barbie basket. I know you see a squishmallow up there in the front. That's okay. Barbie's in there, I promise. So we have our squishmallow. This is Max. And then of course, I'll let you get a roundabout view there. Now I know a lot of you all say, ooh, that basket is smashed full, but it's not. I have a lot of big items in here, so it kind of makes the basket look like it's really full. And then the little bit of candy that I put in here, of course, I use them to act as fillers so that it makes the basket look full. So let me just tell you what we got in here. Of course, we got Max, our squishmallow. We've got our candy over here, our eggs with candy in it, 2 lollipops, our Cheez-Its, our cotton candy. We got Airheads, Tootsie Rolls, and Dots. All right, I put one of the cotton candy bath fizzes here, and this is a jewelry making kit. And then here we have our Ken Barbie doll and our girl Barbie doll. All right, and then right back in front of there, of course, I included one of those heart keychains. We have our Rice Krispie treats, our fruit snacks. I have a Capri Sun in there, our dots, and some Fun Dip. Now, I don't know about you, but I think it's fun when the kids look down through the bag to see, ooh, there's hidden goodies in this bag, or in this bucket, or in this basket, because it does add some fun for the kids. And I'm just turning this around, y'all forgive me, I'm holding my camera, I only have one hand. So back here I've included the bubbles. Right, and then we have a change of clothing for our girl Barbie. All right, and then Ken has a whole outfit back here. And I didn't really do too much of a two-sided, but I did turn this around because I do want some Barbie wording to show on here so that everybody knows that there's Barbie in here. So this basket is one and done. I'm going to wrap it up. I think it turned out very cute. And I think it will definitely sell for Easter. Alright, so you all please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
It's the crafty corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live, doing our thing for the loyal subs, showing love, shopping hauls and all. Happy mails and the sales, doing well, we don't fail.